Is your AirPods mic not working properly after a recent iOS update? Don't worry, this is a common problem which happens due to settings being reconfigured with a new update on your iPhone. You can simply readjust the settings according to your AirPods to get rid of this problem. So, let's dive in and learn how it is done. Solution 1. Set call audio routing. Call audio routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. So, make sure it's set to your AirPods to confirm the mic's effectiveness. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down again and select Touch. Scroll down once more and tap Call Audio Routing. If it's set to Automatic or Speaker, set it to Bluetooth headset. Once this is done, check your issue. Solution 2. Check Call Audio. So, let's start a call on your iPhone. If you tap on the audio icon during the call, make sure to set this to your AirPods. If it's set to speaker or iPhone, then the mic will not work for you. So be sure to confirm this during your calls. Solution 3. Check mic settings in Bluetooth. Go to Settings, tap on your AirPods, which will show right in the main settings if you're connected with it. Scroll down and check the setting for microphone. Tap on it, set it to automatically switch AirPods, or try choosing left or right manually to test. This resets any glitchy mic switching issues. Now test a voice memo or call. If it's still bad, keep going. Solution 4. Reset your AirPods. If they're still not working, try a full reset. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods and test the mic again. It should work better now. And folks, that's how you can fix it if your AirPod mic has stopped working properly after an iOS update. One of these solutions should definitely bring it back to normal. If it helps you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Apple fixes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.